Femi,
Yep.
I want to talk a bit more about Google Ads.
Okay.
Can you tell us what it is and what do businesses use it for?
So Google Ads, formerly known as PPC, formerly known as Google AdWords, now it's been rebranded to Google Ads, is a service that Google offers companies and websites where you pay Google to appear in search engine results page, and if someone is searching to buy a product or a service, Google can send people to your website, they can send people to your store, your physical store, or they can even, if you have an app that you want people to download, Google will send people to help them download that. And it's also a way where if you have a business that you just want people to call your phone and purchase over the phone, or a service that you sell and you want to get customers to just call you so you can complete the purchase, those are the services that Google offers. So that's Google Ads. You can format it in different ways and target people in different ways, but you just have to pay. It's not free.
So it's not free. Yeah, that was my next question.
Yeah, that's how Google makes the money. So Google is very rich because the world is searching for information, and before people relied on television and different formats and billboards and magazines, now the world is become so digitalized where people search on their mobile phone and other devices, and Google is at the forefront, is one of the largest search engines in the world. So, and they've done a really, really good job at that.
So how does it work? I mean, if it's not for free and you have to pay, what's the
So
mechanics?
basically, you need a website or a place where you want, or a phone number or a physical store. You need something where you want to use as a funnel to capture or to sell services or products. For example, an e-commerce website will set up Google Ads to get traffic to their store, where a barber, for example, might want to do their booking over the phone, will set up Google Ads for people to buy, or a restaurant, and you can make those orders through that way. So the way it works is just like a bidding structure where you tell Google how much you're ready to pay, and then Google will assess your bid, assess your landing page, and then look at a lot of criteria and then put you in position 1, 2, or 3, or 4 of the Google Ads position. So that's the way Google Ad works. You just pay for it and Google will send traffic to you.
What are the different types of Google Ads?
So when you talk about Google Ads, you'll be looking at search ads, you'll be looking at display ads, you'll be looking at shopping ads. There's also YouTube ads, and then you look at something called Performance Max. So there are different types of ads. So basically, the text ad is the one where you have the text showing, whereas you also have another way where if someone comes to your website, you can also use Google Ads to then do retargeting and chase them around the internet to kind of reinforce your brand.
So what are your top tips for the best ways to use Google Ads?
That's a very, very good question. For you to use Google Ads, you need to first have an understanding of your keywords. So basically, there are different types of keywords. Some keywords have intent in them, while some keywords are more research focused, informational. So for you to get the best result, you need to make sure that you're targeting keyword with purchase intent, with transactional keyword, that's what it's called. And then you also need to make sure that your landing page where you're sending people to is optimized for those keywords, so there's no friction between when people see an ad and when they land on your landing page. The journey needs to be seamless. And you also need to optimize the funnel, because after the landing page, there are other funnel pages that gets people to the final thank you page. You want to make sure that you optimize everything very, very well. So with Google Ads, it's more of like a test and learn approach. You need to set it up, learn, see what is working, what is not working, and optimize for it. What I've seen in the industry is organizations doing Google Ads without landing page optimization, without conversion rate optimization. The reason why this is because some digital marketing skills are very siloed. You have someone that is fully focused on PPC without an appreciation and understanding of conversion rate optimization. That's where the waste comes in. So my recommendation to most organizations is to have a framework where you have your search marketing, that's your SEO and your PPC integrated together, and then you have conversion rate optimization also entwined as that. So I'm a digital marketing consultant with SEO, PPC, and conversion rate experience. So if you're looking to optimize and get the best result for your Google Ads, reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.